Kulħadd huwa konxu li qed ngħixu f'ħajja maġla u filwaqt li nkunu medijin għaddejjin minn ħaġa l-oħra ftit li xejn nagħtu każ fuq jekk hux qed inqasmu l-ħin sew. L-app Seluna hija mibnija fuq dan il-kunċett, app li rebħet il-kategorija Startup Company of the Year waqt il-J Awards organizzata mill-Fondazzjoni J Malta. Il-Product Developer Cecilia Mzajek spjegat kif l-app hija immirata li ġġib ukoll sens ta' gost.
Time management can often be boring and often be difficult and people find it hard to manage their time well. So what we did is we incorporated gamification so that, we've turned it into a bit of a game to make sure that people have more fun while managing their time.
L-app hija maqsuma f'żewġ partijiet, il-parti li fiha jkun qed jitħarreġ in-ninja u l-parti fejn jikkompeti ma' oħrajn.
The first section is training. So while you're focusing very hard on your important tasks, you have a ninja that represents you, and the ninja is training to gain experience and level up. And then when you have a break, you can actually play against other ninjas around the world and become, the strongest ninja in the world. So the more you manage your time better, the stronger you become in the game, and we all have fun together.
Ta' min jinnota li l-app hi magħmula b'tali mod li n-ninja jitħawwat meta jiċċaqlaq il-mobile waqt li suppost qed tiffoka fuq xi ħaġa. Luke Baldacchino li qed jieħu ħsieb il-PR u l-marketing spjega kif huma kellhom l-appoġġ tal-mentors.
Upon participation, we are assigned with different mentors. We have been given 2. And also apart from just the mentors, we also have a link teacher. So I come from St. Martin's Institute. I have our link teacher, Charles Soma, who also helps us out with obviously creating the business plan and everything. And the mentors, they are behind our backs to make sure that they are leading us into the right direction, so to say.
Il-pass li jmissa l-Seluna u li tikkompeti kontra 16 proġett ieħor fil-Belt Kapitali tal-Latvja fis-26 u 27 ta' Ġunju. Sa dakinhar Luke u Cecilia qed ikomplu jsaħħu l-app.
It's a race against time to get the product touched up, to make it even better, and to obviously get the best product in Latvia.
Ħidma bżonn juża ferm hekk kif Riga jidher li se jkun hemm kompetizzjoni jibsa.
For example, Spain is doing they're turning plastic into fuel that can be used for your cars and other things. France has a new restaurant, a new concept of restaurants. One of them uses Internet of Things for cargo management.
Jekk il-grupp Malti jirbaħ, ifisser li pajjiżna jkun rebaħ dal-premju għal sentejn konsekuttivi, filwaqt li t-tim ta' Seluna jingħata premju finanzjarju u għajnuna sabiex l-app tkun implementata.